Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Espresso machine, and this was brought in because it was leaking and tripping the breaker. What we had found, typical of a machine like this, is the boiler in here. The seals start going bad, and there's an entire set of them. And so when one starts leaking, that water drips on electrical parts or sprays on them, causing a short to ground and tripping the breaker. So we replace all of the gaskets in this boiler just as a precautionary measure. There's no point in just replacing one if you're in there, because the rest of them are going to go shortly. So let's test it. Looking good. Alright. Well, no leaks and not tripping the breaker. Breville working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.